Well, good morning everybody. As you can see by the picture here, I'm in the Ampalaya patch here. And what Beth and I are doing, because the bugs absolutely love decimating the Ampalaya, so what they're doing is wrapping them in plastic bags. And actually they are the ice bags here in order to freeze water in your freezer here, and it makes an excellent long tube for the Ampalaya to grow in, and that. So as you can see, the green growth here is just absolutely outstanding. And if I can just kind of grab one here, give you an idea, but I can see the bugs have already gotten into them.
Even the smallest one.
Yeah, it's always been a problem, and that with us here. You've got to basically do this if you want to see them grow, and like I said, even the smallest ones they've gotten into here. So they're taking the bags and just basically wrapping them around the top and that, and as you can see here, yeah, the long tube.
And we put the hole here. It will rain, won't stuck the water inside.
Yeah, yeah. So it'll be interesting to see if we can stop this. We've grown Ampalaya before, and it seems like you always have that problem of before they even really get going, the bugs get into them. And I really don't want to use any type of a spray on them, so we're going to try to do it this way once and see if it'll...
I think he's the one who pollinates here, look.
Oh, I'm sure.
So tiny.
Oh, the little bug in there, hopefully pollinating. Probably.
Hala, yeah, bees, a small bees, look. There is a stripe on it, yeah.
Yeah. Pollinating the flowers here.
I am not sure where's the male and female here.
So the growth here is, as you can see by the green and everything else, and the vines, is absolutely amazing. I've been awed by it because we've really never seen growth like this before, and even the vines and how they've completely taken over the trellis structure that I constructed here for them, and also just the amount of flowers and that. And Beth is going to want to try to go through and help pollinate maybe the flowers here also. So you can kind of get an idea here of what we're doing with the small ones and that with the bags. And here's another one, Beth. Wow, one that hasn't been... you got to look on top here because there's many of them on the top here.
I'm getting blind.
And kind of go through all the flowers here on the top, and you'll see quite a few. But yeah, a good size one right here, Beth.
Oh yeah, good.
And it looks like I said, like the bugs haven't gotten into it yet.
Oh wow, yeah.
So to be able to do this. This is what we've learned from the locals here, the way to kind of combat this problem and prevent the bugs from getting too much into them. but I know I've seen a bunch of them up here on top. So, and it's kind of a mess here to try to go through this and not hurt the plants, but yet be able to find any of the growth of the Ampalaya here. Yeah.
I'm not sure if this one will survive because, see, they have a hole here.
Well, I know. I know. You got to try to get to them before the bugs start getting to them. And basically, as soon as they form a little bit of growth, the bugs just, I don't know, go after them right away. We're going to try this, and we'll kind of let everybody know out there what's happening here, and if we can prevent the bugs from doing this. Like I said, this is kind of the method that they use here that we've gotten from the locals, is to be able to bag them like that in order to do that. So well, I'm going to let you all go. Like I said, we'll keep you up to date on what's happening here, and I'll say goodbye for now. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back with you shortly.